Can't go that way anymore.
When we left the Bahamas, we were headed towards the Florida coast, attempting to ride the Gulf Stream up to Newport. But on our way there, a little thunderstorm turned into a tropical storm, turned into a named storm. Anna became cyclonic, and it was just a couple knots short of being a named hurricane. You can see we turned around and started sailing away from it, and we were being sucked in by the counterclockwise motion, cyclonic motion, but we managed to outrun it and escape it. But it was quite the battle for 2 or 3 days. On this next stream, you'll see us here passing through over Cape Hatteras, and on the next stream you'll see an animation of the rotation of this storm.
Letting that storm go ahead. There's another one behind. Hopefully we can keep ahead of it. It's going to be like this until the cold front from the Great Lakes comes down and meets this storm. And that front now is at Newport. But it probably won't come till 24 hours. But anyway, we're heading towards our destination at a pretty good clip now. That's it for now. You record that?
Yes. Beginning. Not from beginning.
Okay.
From the middle.
Okay.
And here we are just about to notice that we lost a barbecue that was mounted on the aft. Giant wave took it out a while back. We were seeing 30 to 40 foot swells, and the barbecue's been dangling for I don't know how many hours or days in the back of the boat, just hanging on by the propane hose.
Barbecue's on. It's dangling.
Okay, just leave it.
Okay.
Okay. We gotta lose it. We're gonna lift this lid, unscrew the barbecue, let it go. Lost the barbecue. Lift this right up. It goes the opposite. It's propane, right? Right is off.
Clockwise.
No, it's not clockwise. Right, well, right is off. Yeah, whatever.
It's turning.
Is it turning?
It's turning. Smooth there.
All of it.
Sure, more than 10 meters, but how much more? like if I went this, all the trouble. Big one, big. Gone. This is sunny Bahama trip. Bright and sunny. Yeah. Bright and sunny.
At the first part of this voyage, which we weren't able to report, we were seeing 30 to 40 foot swells or waves or whatever you want to call it, and we were in fear that the vessel might flip over. So me and Artem were harnessed. To the boat, and the rest of the 4 crew members, we confined them down below. Battened all the hatches, closed all the windows and companionway, ensured that everything would be watertight in case she went over, that she would come back up. And I couldn't leave the helm for 16 hours at one point, just helming, and Artem had to pull my pants down for me to take a leak. Things subside a little bit. I let Artem helm, and we switched back and forth every few hours, taking turns in calling the waves, as the helmsman would be facing forward and the other person would be seeing the big walls of water coming and would yell, big one, in order for us to ensure that we were steering the boat properly to surf down these waves. The guys down below were so hot, as we were still over the Gulf Stream and the temperatures were very hot. Everything was closed down below. The poor guys were sweating down there. And more to come on this.
Okay, I want to go there.
Careful.
Yeah.
Big one. Big one.
Can I make a video over there? Cyclone Anna. A black diamond in the middle of it.
You should follow the wave from the left side to the right side.
I will try.
Putting a little air down here.
Lunch?
Air.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Maybe don't look at it.
Which way are we heading?
This way. We are going to the north, straight to...
Straight north?
Yeah.
2 o'clock, it's supposed to let up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't mean we'll have lunch,
Yeah, really.
but at least,
Then 5 o'clock it's supposed to let up.
yeah, 5 o'clock probably will be better.
You guys can come out here if you want. Just need life jacket and a harness.
Yeah, okay.
What do you think, Andrew?
It's not a reality show, it's a reality.
Yeah. Well,
You assign
hang
it.
in there. Yeah.
Almost as bad as getting hit by a freight train. Well, now we are just about completed our tour of the Atlantic Ocean. For those of
Bright
you
and sunny Bahamas.
who wanted to see it. This is the Atlantic Ocean, live and in person.
At least you will get a fresh air here.
That's right. Yeah, we need some of that.
Sorry to lock you guys in there.
It's all right.
Safety.
Yeah. Yeah.
In case we flip her upside down.
Yeah, I agree.
Big,
Come on.
big, big Ed. Good. That was a monster.
That was.
Yeah.
That was 30 feet, eh?
It came quick,
Maybe 40.
like the 40.